Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make bar graph in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So for making a bar graph, so firstly select the data which you want to present in the bar graph. So after selecting the data, you can see insert option, so just click on it. And then you can see bar graph options. So you can see bar chart, so just click on it, and here you can see different format of bar chart. So you can select anyone according to you. So I am selecting first one, so you can select anyone. So you can see after selecting the bar graph, the data is converted into the bar graph. So guys, if you want to make more attractive, then you can change the position, size and chart title and chart design. So for changing the position of pie chart in the spreadsheet, just click on the blank area of the chart and then press the left side of mouse, and you can change the position of chart in this way. So if you want to change the size of bar graph, so just click the circle at the corner. So after that, drag to the anywhere on which you want to adjust the size. So guys, in this way you can adjust the size of bar graph. So if you want to change the color of chart, so just select the chart and then you can see chart design option, so just click on it, and then you can see charts color. So here you can select any chart color. So after selecting the color, so just click on it and you can see color is changed. So if you want to change the chart style, so here you can select any chart style. So guys, you can see in this way you can change the chart style. So if you want to change the chart title, so just click on it and then you can change the chart title. So guys, in this way you can change the chart title. So guys, in this way you can make bar graph in Excel. So if you want to watch more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.